Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite easy anti-cheat is not installed. Quite easy and straightforward. Let me show how. First of all, go to Epic Games, go to Library, find Fortnite, press on the three dots, and then go to Manage, and then press on the little folder icon here. Then this window should open up, and here you need to look for a Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then you should find on Win64 easy anti-cheat, and then you should see easy anti-cheat setup. So what you need to do here next is to right click on it, and then you just need to show more options, send to, select desktop. Once it's on your desktop, you can close this thing here, and then you should get this. So then right click on it, rename, and then shortcut, delete shortcut thing here, and then hit enter. Then what you need to do here is to right click again, show more options, properties, and then on target here, go all the way to the right side, press space and press and just write repair. After that, apply OK and run easy anti-cheat. It should pop up a little command prompt window, and that particular command prompt window should be gone. And then you just need to launch the game and look if the game is running or not. In some case, the game cannot be running. So what you need to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall, and on Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature. Then change settings, allow an app, browse, and then go to desktop. And then add easy anti-cheat setup here. And then try again, hit yes, and then run game normally and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it.